What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content. Today we're back at ModFX. I'm here to meet up with Big B TV, just kind of see what kind of cool things they got going on at the shop. They got some new projects. I'm looking at an older school Charger over there. It looks like it's wide body, so they got some cool things going on here. So let's go ahead and go into the shop and see what they got going on.
All right, y'all, so I'm right here with my guy Straight Outta Content, aka Carl. We're at ModFX Custom, so I'm gonna kind of give him a little walk around, kind of show him what these guys got going on with all these badass cars. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Hope you guys enjoy. So first things first, we have a Dodge Charger Daytona, right? We have it in this beautiful smoke show gray, and I kind of like the red accents, you know what I mean? Got the red sticker, got the red lug nuts, red brake calipers. And then if you come over here, we have my guy Tyler right here. I don't know what he's got going on, so if you want to explain to us what's going on.
So he's basically getting the full headlight setup, demon eyes, halos, chips, snorkel lights, and he's getting fogged. So right now we're just wiring up the whole setup so that when the headlights get done and dry, he's going to be able to pop them in and he's going to be able to pick up the car, take delivery, and be on the road.
Okay, so this car is just getting specifically a light show?
Yeah, he's getting pretty much everything.
All right, cool.
You can see we kind of got wires strung everywhere. Pretty much needed you can get it. We have about 5 drivers on each side. That's just going to control pretty much all the parts of the headlight.
Okay, cool. Hell yeah, man. That's my guy Tyler. He works here at ModFX, so if y'all need him to work on some DRLs, some lights, underglow, stuff like that.
Mainly headlights, but I work on a little bit of everything.
Okay, so yeah, if you want to get your stuff done here, hit up my guy Tyler. He'll get you good.
You can put these types of lights in a Kia?
Say that again?
You can put these types of lights in a Kia?
Yeah, we can put lights in pretty much any car. We just have to buy the parts.
Obviously.
But yeah, no, we can pretty much do anything, yeah.
Okay, great.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Not a problem. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tyler.
Appreciate it, man.
Boom.
All right, so behind me we have a 5.7 liter Hemi Charger, and it just got bags done right now. So we got my guy Hugo right there in the back. He's the one who did the job. I don't know the color on this one. I'm always like curious about this color. I don't know what it's called. I know you got the B5 blues, you got indigo blue. I'm not familiar with this blue, but it is a Dodge Charger. Got the Demon hood too if you want to check that out.
Oh, the Demon hood fits on the Charger?
Hell yeah! Look at that. I think that looks super clean. I think the red eye Charger should have came with that one. Now if you come over here on this side, this is where they do the clamping and the sealing right here. So this one they popped open the headlights, put the DRLs in there, make sure everything was nice and fitted. Then they put the things back on, and then they put a sealer on there. And then when they put the sealer on there, they clamp it. They don't clamp it hard, they clamp it just enough where it's gonna get a good seal. You know, you don't wanna break parts, you don't wanna over clamp them, you know what I mean? So all this is perfectly clamped. And then they got the headlights just chilling there while they do the work on that car over there. This one's just here chilling, and whenever they're done with all the wiring and stuff like that, they're gonna go ahead and put that back on the car. So it should be good to go. Okay, so right here we have a wide body Challenger Hellcat. It's not a red eye, it's just a regular Hellcat, but you see it has a wide body kit, and then it is on the lift. So this one's getting bags done. Right, Hugo? This getting bags? Okay, yeah, so this one's getting bags, and you can kind of see they haven't started the job yet. There's nothing in the trunk, no air take system or anything like that. So this one's freshly here, getting some work done, getting bags. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I know they did that one pretty quick, so this one should be out pretty soon. Yeah, that's kind of like all the projects they got in the shop right now. Not really much going on because it's Thursday night. It is raining outside, so not a lot of sports cars want to be driving in the rain and stuff like that. Especially in Houston, when you drive in Houston in the rain, it's a no-go for these cars. You know what I mean? So they got this one chilling. They just finished that one. He's working on that one, and then they have a detail shop across the street. If you want to go check that out.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
All right, let's go check. All right, so as you can see, we're just in ModFX Customs. Right across the street, they got the detail shop. So over here, they do the work. They do the cosmetic mods. You know, the bags, airs, systems. They do the lights. They pretty much do everything here. So the shops do get dirty. That's any shop, you know what I mean? So there's a lot of dirt, dust flying around. So whenever the stuff's done here, they take it right across the street, and that's when they do the paint correction, ceramic coatings. They do car washes here. They pretty much do anything you can think of to get your car clean. So whenever you get your car done here, they take it over here, get clean, and whenever you're ready to pick up your car, it'll look like a brand new car. It's clean, freshly modded. You know what I mean? You don't have to worry about taking it to a wash after because they have the wash here. You know what I mean? So it's like you're really one-stop mod shop. You know what I mean? So you get work done, get your car clean, bam, take it home, happy customer. So without further ado, let's get straight to the detail shop and I'm gonna show you what they got going on there. Okay, so right here we have a beautiful brand new wide body Charger Scat Pack. Okay, so it's a black on black, and it's the new one. I think this is new for 2020 or 2021 because I don't know if you can see right now, it is black on black and it is dark outside, but they do have the SRT on the caliper. They don't have Brembo no more, they don't have Scat Pack, they don't have Dodge. It's straight SRT like a Hellcat. So if you come back over here, now I don't want to get too deep in there because they're kind of like concentrated in their own zone and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just kind of explain what goes on in here. Like I said, they do paint corrections, they do ceramic coatings. I believe they do clear bra wraps, they do certain stuff like that. They do window tints and stuff like that in here. Basically, it's like your cleanup shop, you know what I mean? So you can kind of see them work on this Jeep. It's 3 guys, okay? So to speed up the process, and all these guys, they know what they're doing. It's not like half-assed work or anything like that. All these guys know what they're doing. They just kind of like teamwork, you know what I mean? It is a shop, so it's like multiple guys work on the same car, you know what I mean? It's not you just drop it off to one person and whatever. So these guys, they know what they're doing. They do everything panel by panel, make sure everything's nice and whatever. They don't just do the whole car and rush things and take their time with everything. It's kind of cool. Like, it's kind of like clean, you know what I mean? It is raining, so it is kind of wet, but it's, you know, most of the time it is clean. You got the bright lights, and then Randall brings out more brighter lights when it's like a deep paint correction to see every single swirl in the car. So yeah, they're doing the job right now. Don't want to get in there and kind of get in the way, so that's what they do here. Let's kind of walk around the parking lot and show you the cars they have over here. All right, y'all, so right here we're in the ModFX office. This is where people come and wait. So you see they got the couch right here. They have another couch right there. They got AC, so everyone's like kind of cool. And if you come over here, they kind of display like the home runs, right? So right here, since it is a Mopar shop, well, their specialty is Mopar, they go with the Mopar colors. So you have the black, right? And then you have the white, and then you have the, I don't know what you call that red. I don't know if it's red line red or Tour red. It's one of those reds, right? I think red line red is, I think it's Chevy. I'm not too sure about the reds, but they do have Plum Crazy purple. They have B5 blue, they have Sublime green, and they have another green. I'm not familiar with that green. But at the bottom, they have the ModFX logo. They have Bagged by ModFX, kind of like Supreme. And then they have the Low Life, like the North Face, but it says the Low Life. And then they have ModFX, and then ModFX, you know what I mean? And then they have the aftermarket gauges where you can come and get your aftermarket gauges on your Scat Pack, Hellcat, whatever you need. They're custom. You see how they're blue. So if you have a blue Charger or Challenger, you can get blue gauges, you know, kind of give you a different look instead of just being black on black like Hot Dodge gives you from the factory. So now if you come over here, this is where they do like your checkout, you know what I mean? So whatever you got done in there, you come in here, you discuss numbers and the pricing and stuff like that, and warranties and whatnot. And then you have the ModFX obviously right here, you know what I mean? So this is the office where people come and chill, so they won't be in the workplace, you know what I mean? I don't think it's pretty boring in here. I think it's pretty cool because you have the TV right here. You can watch whatever you want. They have Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and you're free to watch anything. You know what I mean? If you're in here waiting for a little while for your car, obviously these cars take a while to work on. You have complete control of the TV. They have a remote. You can watch whatever you want. You can watch movies, TV shows, whatever. And it's pretty chill here. You know what I mean? Like it's the waiting room, and you just wait for your car to be done. Or you know, if you want to leave, or kind of like look at the car outside, you're more than welcome. We kind of like recommend people not be in the workplace because they have so much going on. So you could be in here or you could be outside looking at the cars that they showcase out there. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. It's like the office, you know what I mean? Just chill. And then you come over here. You know, this is where you enter the shop. So right here we come to the shop. And then bam, you have all these cars right here. And they also have a window too, so if you just want to be nosy and peek and see what they got going on, they have this little window right here. So you can kind of just see like what's going on in the shop, you know what I mean, without being in the workplace and being in the way. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Like they have everything here. Pretty much, you know, they got lives. They have a whole bunch of tools here. You know, obviously it's a shop, but just know that you are getting taken care of when you come over here. They do the job right the first time. Because I noticed a lot of other shops that work on these cars, people bring them and be like, you know, this shop did this to my car, or this shop did that to my car. And over here, I've never had someone go to another shop and be like, oh, ModFX messed up on this car. You know, they do their work high quality. They put a lot of time and effort in these cars. And just know when you come here, you won't come back with issues. You know what I mean? So just keep that in mind. But yeah, guys, that's ModFX Custom. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to Straight Outta Content. Please subscribe to whatever Carl has in mind, because I don't know if he be on Snapchat or, you know, certain social medias, you know what I mean? Just make sure you give him a follow, show him some love. This guy's putting in the work. He just hit 1,000 subs. He got his watch time, so he is monetized now. So what I want to say to y'all is please do not skip the ads, okay? Because that money is very important. The economy is kind of going crazy right now, so all the ad revenue, we need that, you know what I mean? So yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoy the video. As always, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.